Hello students, today we will do maths for standard 6 and the chapter is equation. So let's see the videos further. Hello students, today I'll teach you the equation. Now this is for standard 6. Now what do you mean by equation? Now before the equation, let us learn some different parts. When I say 2, this is the number 2. But when I say x, this is the alphabets. So in this equation, there is a mix of alphabets and the number. Like 2x, 5y, 3z, 4a. So one is a constant, another is a variable. So let us learn the equation for this. Now let us learn the first equation. X plus 5 is equal to 9. Now this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Now from this left hand side, we want to find the value of x. We want to find the value of x, this x. So on the left hand side, we have to remove this 5 plus 5 so that you get the value of x. There are two methods for finding the value of x. Whichever is easy for you, you can do that method. First method is question x plus 5 is equal to 9. Here, what you want to remove? You want to remove plus 5. So, what is the opposite of plus 5? It is minus 5. So, what you do? X plus 5 minus 5 equal to 9 minus 5. That means this minus 5 should be subtracted on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. So when you plus 5 and minus 5 is 0, it cancels. So what is remaining? X. Then equal 9 minus 5 is 4. This is the first method of equation. Second method, I'll teach you here. You should know the opposite of plus is minus. Opposite of minus is plus. X plus 5 is equal to 9. Now here, what number you see on the left hand side? Why we are taking the left hand side? Because we want to find the value of x, and that x is on the left hand side. So on the left hand side, only the x should be there. Whatever number is on the left hand side, that should be removed. Now what is the opposite of plus 5? Yes, it's minus 5. So this minus 5 should be subtracted on the right hand side. That means this plus 5 will convert it into minus 5 here. So when this plus 5 flies over here, what is remaining here now? We are removing this plus 5. It becomes minus 5 here. So what is remaining here? Only x. So I write that x, then equal sign, then 9. Now what about this plus 5? This plus 5 comes here and becomes minus 5. If plus is there, it will become minus. If minus is there, it will become plus. So x is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4. So whichever method is easy for you, any one method you have to do it. Let's do the other sign which has a negative sign. Let's say a minus 6 is equal to 14. This is the second one. Let's do with the first method. Which number you have on the left side? You have a minus 6 we want to find the value of A. So which should be removed? Minus 6. What is the opposite of minus 6? It is plus 6. So A minus 6 first you have to write. Then what is the opposite of minus 6? Plus 6. So in this side you have to write this plus 6. So what is the next number? It is equal sign 14. This plus 6 you have to write on the left side as well as on the right side. Here also plus 6. On the left side also plus 6. On the right side also plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0. So what is remaining? A. Then equal. Don't forget to write this equal sign. 14 plus 6 is how much? 20. Understood? So the value of A is 20. Let's do it by second method. In the second method, A minus 6 is equal to 14. How to do the second method? On the left side where A is there, we want to find the value of A. So we want to remove this minus 6 and this minus 6 will convert into plus 6 because plus will become minus, minus will become plus on this side. So if I remove this minus 6, what is remaining? A. So I write A equal 14. Now here this minus 6 will become plus 6. If plus is there, here you have to write minus. If minus is there, here you have to write plus. So A is equal to 20. I think everyone understood properly. Let's do one more sum. Okay. 18 is equal to x plus 3. Third method. 18 equal to x plus 3. Now on the left hand side only number is there. But on the right hand side x plus 3 is there. We want to find the value of x on the right hand side. Right? So this plus 3 will go in this side. Now according to the first method, we want to remove this plus 3. What is the opposite of plus 3? Minus 3. So this minus 3 should be put in both the side, on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. Right? So 18 minus 3 is equal to x plus 3 minus 3. See here. 18, here I put minus 3. Here also I put minus 3. So 18 minus 3 is 15 is equal to 3 minus 3 is 0. So this cuts. What is remaining? X. So write in a proper order. X is equal to 15. Let's do it by second method. 18 is equal to x plus 3. What is the second method? On the right hand side we want to find the value of x. So we want to remove this 3. So what is the opposite of plus 3? It is minus 3. So you have to transfer this 3 plus 3 into minus 3 here. So this will become 18 minus 3 equal. Now this plus 3 we brought on this side as minus 3. So again you should not write this plus 3. You have to write only x because this plus 3 is removed and you have written minus 3. So 18 minus 3 is 15 equal x. Arrange it. After arranging it will become x is equal to 15. So how many of you understood? I think everyone understood. If you are not understood, watch the video again. Now we will do the second part. Now we have completed the plus sign and negative sign. Now we will do multiplication and division sign. Let us start with the multiplication sign. See, when I write 3x means it is 3 multiplied by x. When I write 4a means it is 4 multiplied by a. When I write 100y means 100 multiplied by y. So here we don't write this multiply sign. It is understood. Okay, so our first sum is, let's say 4x is equal to 20. When I write 4x is equal to 20, that means here no addition, no subtraction. This is multiplication, right? This is multiplication, 4 into x. Now this multiplication, when you want to write on this side, we want to divide it, right? So remove this. Our first method, let's do by two method. Our first method, 4x equal to 20. Now division means don't write this divide sign. When I say 4 upon x means 4 divided by x, right? 2 upon 3 means 2 divided by 3. So here which number we want to remove? Because we want to find the value of x. So you want to remove what? 4. So here 4 into x. We want to remove 4. So multiplication, the opposite of multiplication is division. So I write this, I want to remove this 4. So I divide 4 on both the side, here as well as here. That means on the left hand side, as well as on the right hand side. So 4 cancels. What is remaining? X. X is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. So what is the answer? 5. Okay, let's do it by second method. 4x is equal to 20. Second method is very simple. This 4 is multiplied by x. So directly transfer this 4 down. Not here. Not on the numerator, on the denominator. So x equal to 20. I am removing this 4 and writing it here. Okay, so 4 on the 4, 4 5s are 20. X is equal to 20. Whichever method is easy for you, you can do it in that method. Let's do one more method. 5x, one more sum. 5x is equal to, I'll write 65. Right? According to the first method, if you want to remove this 5x, 5x means 5 multiplied by x. That means here multiplication sign is there. So we want to remove this multiplication sign. So 5x, again you write 65. Divide, because here multiply is there. We want to remove this 5. So divide 5 on both the side. Why we are dividing only 5? Because we want to remove this 5. 5 cancel. See, it is removed when you divided, right? So what is remaining? X is equal to 5 ones are 5. Here 5 ones are 5. 1 carry. 5 3s are 15. What is remaining? 13. So answer is 13. How do we do it from the second method? 5x is equal to 65. So we want to remove this 5. 5 into, that is 5 multiplied by x. If multiplication is there, we want to do division. Cross multiply, we call this as cross multiply method, right? X is equal, don't write here 5 again, because this 5 you are transferring it down. Yeah, this 5 will come here down. So this is 5. This 5 comes here. That means this is divided. 65 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Here 6 is written. 1 carry. Right? So 1 is carried here. Becomes 15. 5 3s are 15. Answer is 13. X is equal to 13. I hope you understood very well. Right? There are total 4 methods. One is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So these 3 methods I taught you. Now we'll do the division method. Now divide method. X upon 4 is equal to 3. X upon 4 is equal to 3. There are 2 methods. First method is, we want to remove this 4. Now what is this? x divide by 4. What is the opposite of divide? Multiply. Which number you want to remove to find the value of x? 4. So multiply 4 on both the side. That means on the left side as well as on the right side. I write x upon 4, multiply by 4. Then I write this equal sign, 3 multiply this 4. That means, see, here I am multiplying by 4. Here also I am multiplying by 4. So I written here, see, the same x upon 4, x upon 4. Equal, 3, 3. What is the difference between this and this? On both the side I multiply by 4. Why I multiplied? Because here x divided by 4 is given. And I want to remove this 4. So 4 and 4. One numerator, one denominator. Cancelled. What is remaining? X. X is equal to 3 4s are 12. Understood? Second method, very easy method. Directly cross multiply this. X, put this equal, write 3. This 4, here x is divided by 4. So opposite to divide is multiply. So you multiply this 4 here. So x is equal to 12. I'll give one more sum. Y upon 9 is equal to 4. Second sum. So y is equal to, this 9 will multiply here. It becomes 4 into 9. So y is equal to, what is 9 4s are? 36. Very good. In the first method, y upon 9 is equal to 4. So y upon 9 equal to 4. Multiply by 9. Multiply by 9. 9 9 cancel. Why I multiplied? Because here y is divided by 9. If divided by 9, I have to multiply. So y is equal to 4 9s are 36. So these are the 4 methods which I taught you. Thank you.